guys, welcome back. I never know how to start these videos, like hi guys, good morning guys, but it's not always morning where people are, so I always feel like I'm lost for words when I first start the videos. So hello. Today is a Saturday and it is a very wet October day, and I'm off to the Wallace Collection as part of my Open University course. I'm doing art history. I get to go and visit some awesome artwork today, and I thought I'd take you along with me. I haven't been there before, so I'm quite excited to spend a couple of hours immersed in some great art. And if you like that kind of thing, come follow. Let's have a little wander around London in this beautiful, quite warm but very wet October day. Okay, see ya. So I have just set out from my home. It is a beautiful October day, despite it being quite wet. It was quite warm, so it was a pleasant walk up to the train station. I'm just going to jump on the train from Lambeth North up to Oxford Circus and head on up to the Wallace Collection. I'm really excited as I haven't seen the Wallace Collection yet. I've been to quite a few of the art galleries in London, so I'm very lucky that I get to live so central and I get to go to so many free art galleries, but the Wallace Collection is one that I haven't been able to get around to see yet. The great thing about the Wallace Collection is it is very central to Oxford Street, about 10 minutes away, so if you're ever in the area, please go and check it out because it really is an awesome place to visit. Do you have a particular favourite art museum that you like to visit when you're in town? If you do, let me know in the comments. It'd be great to hear from you. So this is the stunning entrance way for the Wallace Collection. It's really striking when you walk in at just how big and grand it all is, and it was about 11 AM and it wasn't too busy, which is always nice for an art gallery in London, as some of the bigger galleries and museums are absolutely heaving and you just can't get around to seeing everything, or you become too hot and there's just not enough room to manoeuvre. So this was quite pleasant to have some space to really get to check out the art. Because I was on a uni talk, I wasn't able to film as much of the fantastic art that is on display here, but it's all reason for you guys to come up and check it out yourself. But what I did see was absolutely beautiful and really worth the trip, and it is obviously free to get in, so if you're in town, please feel free to go and check it out because it is a really lovely day out. I also had a very busy cafe, which I actually ended up not staying and having a coffee in because it was a little bit too busy and trying to find a seat was a bit of a nightmare. So I ended up going somewhere else to get my coffee. Before I left for the day, I went and checked out some of the fantastic Dutch painters, and this area was really beautiful. They had a really long gallery full of absolutely stunning pieces of art that I would like to spend a lot more time standing in front of and checking out, especially because I am doing an art history course, so it would be really great for me to spend a bit more time analysing the artwork for my course. after a couple of hours checking out all the fine pieces of art, I decided to take a walk up to Oxford Circus, grab myself a bite to eat, and pretty much head on home. Like I said, the weather had picked up by now. It wasn't as wet. In fact, it had dried up completely, and the sun had started to come out. And yeah, it was just a really, really nice way to spend an afternoon wandering around London. I did try to avoid Oxford Street, the sort of busier end, because I don't like getting crowds with everyone trying to do their Saturday shopping, so I do dodge around the back streets a little bit. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the Wallace Collection anyway, and I do hope you are able to go out and check out some great pieces of art. I'm always so amazed when I walk up Oxford Street of how much it's changed since I was a child. Like, all of the shops that I have known and loved for many years are not on the high street anymore, and it was a bit sad. So I am back from the Wallace Collection. It was really cool to check out the museum. I've never actually been there before, so it was really nice to have a little wander around. Although I didn't get to see as much art as I would like to have seen. Obviously, I was with my uni doing, I was listening to a talk from one of the lecturers on some of the art that we needed to look at. So it was hard for me to film lots and lots in there, and the staff were quite hot on filming, which is always a bit annoying, but I understand why. But yeah, so I had to secretly pull my phone out and take a few shots and stuff here and there, so that's not as wide a collection of art that I'd like to have shown you, but it's worth a check out. If you've never been, definitely go and check out the Wallace Collection. Then after the Wallace Collection, I just took a walk, because it's at the back of Oxford Street, just down Oxford Street, and came home. So it was a nice afternoon, nice way to spend a Saturday. Yeah, anyway, I hope you liked. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next.